Hi folks, welcome to another tech video. If you guys are waiting to buy Apple Watch Series 7 or wanted to pre-order the Apple Watch Series 7, then there is a good news for you. Before that, if you guys have missed to watch our iPhone 13 Pro unboxing video, then I will leave the link in the description below. Series 7 was announced back in September along with the new iPhones, iPad mini, but the company had said that it would ship the Apple Watch sometime later in the fall. Apple today morning announced that it will start to accept the pre-orders for the new Apple Watch Series 7 on October 8th Friday, and it will be available in the stores beginning October 15th. So our final thoughts: overall, the Apple Watch Series 7 is a minor upgrade over the Apple Watch Series 6, offering a larger display, casing sizes and the new color options, improved durability, S7 chip and the faster charging. These features are mostly iterative and improvements rather than the major reasons to upgrade. The Series 7 does not add any new functionality. The Series 7 starts at $399 join Apple Watch SE at $279 followed by Apple Watch Series 3 at $199. So folks, what are your thoughts on Apple Watch Series 7? Which one would you buy? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.